Trincomalee, the jewel of Sri Lanka's eastern coast, where golden beaches meet turquoise water and endless opportunities for tourism begin. From Nilaveli's calm shores to the crystal water of Marble Beach, Trincomalee is paradise for beach lovers. Its ecotourism value is unmatched, with coral reef, marine life, and untouched natural beauty. Beyond the beaches, Trincomalee tells stories of history and culture that span centuries. The secret Koneshwaram temple, Fort Frederick, and vibrant coastal communities make this land a cultural treasure. Tourism in Trincomalee is more than beauty. It powers the local economy and creates livelihoods. With rising investments, Trincomalee is set to become a hub for Sri Lanka's future tourism industry. Trincomalee, where nature, culture, and opportunity meet. A true jewel shining bright in Sri Lanka tourism journey.